Here's some great ideas for creative cooking. With this hack, you can fry up dough balls in no time. And the portions will all be the same. With this hack, you can vacuum pack food yourself. Easy. With this DIY cover, you can easily transport your pastries without the risk of crushing them. Handy. Like this, your sushi will crumble. Try picking it up like this. Stays in one piece. Dates prepared in a flash. A useful hack for cracking a lot of eggs and gathering up all the shells. And to scramble them, use a milk frother. Do you want some crepes? Use a skewer to spread the batter evenly. Perfect! DIY sushi? Here's a simple technique. Bon appetit! Use a cookie cutter to fry up some minced meat and an egg. A fantastic idea for a quick meal. Cut tomatoes in a flash with this hack. Done!